Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we pick up at mile 184 on US Highway 1 in Fort Lauderdale, kicking off a new filming day on Monday, March 3, 2025. Here, US-1 makes a brief jog east along East Sunrise Boulevard with a temporary concurrency on State Road 838. Sunrise is a major cross-town route, and just south of it is Holiday Park, a big recreation complex that locals know for ball fields, tennis, and the renovated War Memorial/Arena complex. This short pairing with Sunrise runs through a busy mix of small centers and mid-rise buildings before we reach the split ahead. At the split, Sunrise Boulevard continues straight to the Intracoastal and A1A, while US-1 turns left and resumes north as North Federal Highway. This corner is anchored by the longtime gateway shopping site, the former Sears town. As we curve onto Federal, we're skirting the edge of Lake Ridge and the northern fringe of Victoria Park to the west, with the canal-laced Sunrise Intracoastal in the Middle River off to the east. The Galleria at Fort Lauderdale sits farther east along Sunrise near the bridge. We don't pass it on this alignment, but it's the landmark mall for the beachbound leg. Continuing north, US-1 settles into a classic commercial corridor with frequent signals and center turn lanes. Approaching Oakland Park Boulevard, State Road 816, east side neighborhoods transition toward Coral Ridge and canal front streets tied to the Middle River, while to the west you're edging toward Oakland Park's grid. Big plazas and medical offices begin to cluster in this section. North of Oakland Park Boulevard, the highway angles through a string of northeast Fort Lauderdale neighborhoods. To the east are yacht-friendly enclaves like the Landings and Coral Ridge Isles. To the west are Knoll Ridge and adjacent residential districts of Oakland Park, reaching toward Dixie Highway. As we approach Commercial Boulevard, State Road 870, US-1 widens into an auto-oriented stretch with larger shopping centers and older strip plazas side by side. Holy Cross Health anchors the corridor, so you'll spot hospital wayfinding mixed in with the retail. East of here, canals feed toward Bay Colony and Port Royale. Westbound cross streets connect quickly over to Dixie and the I-95 spine. We wrap up today's run at mile 190, just north of Northeast 66th Street and Port Royale Boulevard, where we leave the Fort Lauderdale city limits. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.